Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there, and then a location of a Flipper Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi
ebusuafo ende asema me de baba so mo de emu odu pa yi emu odu ne kwa mintimi handle nyina ne se yenua ba bi de na asema ba bepie mu a so se ne nsem nyina ne se ne brother ene ne yere wo ho ate se papa no ana se ne nua ba ma no wa complain wo ne yere no ho saa na se wonam so eku eye oba ne ye ya efri otiasefo asase so oba no eye ne nua ba ne se sia no onhu ne onyem se ombo a police for mani o se onye de ye onhu ne onye no no se ohia ye mo akakra do fo mo me kwai na me ntwa me ho na me ba ye nua ba ne nsam no me de ba so mo ye wi a ne aka ni na me de ba ka ho for sana me kan na asem modi modu me kwa mintimi enye de handle san so na me guest o kama ho wa ha no ye nkwa ye ntimi handle e mani enye ye nu ntino me sure mo say ya na modi ba dwentre ene mo futuo nsam so asomye e we comment section no e mo na enua ba no e be kan ni o say my brother killed his wife. My family and I know he did it because before the murder he has been complaining about my sister-in-law being unfaithful, lazy, and so many things. Whenever I visit, I don't see my sister-in-law as lazy, and she does not do anything that looks fishy for me to think she is unfaithful to my brother. He has been talking about murdering her for a very long time, for a while now, before her death. Her body was found at a different place, and the police cannot tell he is the one. I want to report to the police, but my family does not want me to, and my brother has anger issues. I am scared. What do I do? I said, "Modu pa." And I went on soon to know many baba copy. I come and say, "I say, Baba do asemrumo." As you said, "Ding." And I buy you and I say, "Any baby." Or no, any funny situation or report it as I know, and as a man report it. Mammy, kia, wait, Ama. Some real food, the media show. I never thought to say, and that's a Bruno G. from myself. Canada, I pay. Major Bruni, who are Tianca Bruni, status. Okay, me the color no shine. What was I am proud of my melanin color. And I'm making. So that's what Jeff from myself to me. Who can ask a man and my marriage shows in a bit dinner show. I said, oh, what a Bruni, and I might be beneath here. Okay, you have a call. Let me add to me. Now, in your bass and you're able to journal, oh, sell or then on your reporting any near the man, and I said, no, Jai, because I said in your man, anger issues.
A clear burning, meta was say, baby, a wakunya way. Na meta was say, Namisa, Chia, AfricMedia, Ashrafonia, almost support on the title too much. It's unexpected, almost at your farm. I mean, sure. Now, me feel almost so not as a may buy assemblies who may surely hear pa. If you are still be a woman, you say there's injustice everywhere. There is injustice everywhere. Even when justice is said, there's a sort of injustice done to someone. Girl, where she knows what she has to do, but she's considering the injustice on her part. Say, if justice is served the other woman, it will be injustice to her. Say she will lose her brother. That's what she's thinking about. Saying Kenyan is Sunday, you'll be full fraud, on far away cram back as an issue. And you're not putting me a bar and you didn't say manner. Because you think that she'll be sitting as a miniature bar community, me coca. It means that she's thinking about the injustice that she will go through. Say she doesn't have a brother anymore. Oh, sure, but I'm running it decent as a father. You'll be in jail. or even if Onyan would declare himself, what can be say, he will no longer treat you as a sister.
Yeah, I don't know, so I know so. Then you have a man anger issues.
Or anger issues.
Or say, or company be a Shimuno, police for amateur, and maybe I was a suspect. It's me at the over. You dear some new name who said you are related to a issue now. I don't know, so say be an you have a man before now. And no,
a copy one of the best sell, sister. There were anger issues. No, that you will be now one can say unkele you said as well on for rehabilitation on for say or come here kill and that's well and anger issues don't it doesn't die out after it has been exerted on the victim. It grows. The more the anger trigger the more also you're angry and the higher the trigger the bigger the display. And it is say we couldn't or anger issues it won't be reporting. Because who say maybe or better it on you be there. You don't know when it will be you triggering him. Because also who really feel company. You know, says as a good wife, she's cleaning, she's doing everything as a wife that she's supposed to.
She does not do anything fishy.
Okay, thank you. And you are his sister. Also, you might be doing everything as a sister. You might even by now protecting him. You are doing your best as a sister. You don't know when you may not look like the best sister in his eyes and what you will do about it. And so you don't keep such a person in the house.
And I'm also crying. Girl, now Eddie can't bought family man so report now. Family you can say mama name report and a crop be manasuma na say dey be manasuma. E bet me madam will say to unya me bonia. Ubedi to bet me also.
Once a crime has been committed, you have to report. Share drag laws Akesia Abibiasin Pablo Escobar. There were times that now ni community our team Pablo Escobar because of the good he was doing them. So we could not drag money now. They supported him so much. They even tried to hide him. Sometimes when they knew where he was at times and they would never report him. The police could make a raid in that same community knowing that he's there, but they never see. They make him find a way to go out. Prison one of course severe crowd or 2 times walk around because they thought that he was something about at the long run. By the end of his career, through his drug lord, not in most of them were people who knew what they had every opportunity, not from community crumple per se, but they knew who he was, what he stood for. They had opportunities to report him, but they would rather keep it to themselves because of fear of what he might do to them. The main case said, no, drug lord be or baby reporting who need insurance, I mean. But you know, advanced countries, they have witness protection
policy
and we can only hardened criminal say Pablo Escobar. We any hardened criminal or your brother or anger issues. And to the anger issues you suspect and you have heard him threatening. Verbally crumpled to be with better. You know, say you can be charged.
Can be arrested.
Attempted murder, like what
threatening someone to murder, And somebody see pay, but me I can say I want to.
Until threatening a crumple, case you didn't report it, and you waited and watched things go that bad to the death of somebody's daughter, somebody's mother, somebody's friend. And you have another opportunity to report now. Oh, can say. Who can say, where one crime, if you handling criminal, inform when you want to know better than handling criminal or committing one crime. No who say no more be a report, no be home no more report, and who say no man of fire 1, no go 2, no go 3. Say why had it that a coupon more to deep on the crime and can it this one also or attitude they are prone to crime. He needs help. He needs medication and he needs to be reported because anger issues doesn't guarantee you said because of your anger issues no kill anybody that comes your way. You have to be punished for what you did and yet be helped in a medical way for your problem also. So now back next time you will not have anything to blame. Say I have this and I did this and because of this I did this. No, you are trained, you are helping you medically and yes, I'm punish you for your crimes. And too bad you know that whatever I do wrong now, I'll be punished. It's the best service as a lesson to you. Not even attempt to do it again.
Because the prison serves as a place of reformation.
Yes.
And not to
and it's a good for this is an crash there because of what he has been through and because he has been healed of his anger issues. No, he won't have that against you because say anger issues no or now or call bills number and or they buy vent so then you have a problem. The police has to do something to help you. But the process say, oh, come make you statement, you make it known, say he has an issue, he has a medical problem because you have known him, he's your brother. Also state also on anger issues. You state the problem, they take him through screening, they think he needs help, they take him there and they serve him the punishment and everything is solved. And today our parents say it's because of the injustice or no feeling or she's keeping quiet on
and I'm sure say lady so she's afraid that okoye we ni neji na ye beche ne brother no so e bia na abusua apono but ye hwe abusua omo cover incident we ye hwe abusua omo cover this act say unim say oba o maame o papa what wo unim say oba akwakodi nyamra say say na wo cover so abra o ye de obi ba wo de wo okay ye hwe the action about the family and the parents no what do you think they should do? Do you think Nomayeno is right as a parent? I mean, they know say we are to defend and protect our children, but is this the right way to protect your child?
Okay, me that say it will be people who have a friend of tough love. Now tough love the akola fresh now or free 8-9 months back to the first year one. It's not easy to put that child to bed. Because once you have been holding him or rocking it to bed, sometimes you put them on your wenti or no learning how to sleep around that time, you know. What do you talk about? Because what he's used to, he's supposed to all the time, you know. But he's growing. You can't always be rocking a baby for him to sleep. He has to learn how to sleep on his own when he's feeling sleepy. And to go mobile like that, children around that time they can sleep midnight. They will not allow you to sleep. And I do this so no one that one. And see, tough love comes in here. As a mother, you know what's good for your son or your child. You know that if you keep on loving him, showing that love, rocking him to bed now, he may not grow up from there. So you have to teach yourself to be tough in loving him. You have to keep him in bed. I'm on my own. Then he sleep further on from there. You wouldn't have to hold him up again. And sometimes we think we are being loving to our family members by keeping their sins or their faults. But it goes a long run to come back to hurt us again. Because he's still a member of our family. The more he does it, the more it affects us. And they should rather show him tough love by giving him up to be punished so that he can become a better person for them again. The family. At the long run, it will serve their own good. And that's what I will say about that.
Yemia ba ama usua wakasa na futu nsɛm de ni na o de go na me de the meka ne sɛ yemia ba yi na me pese wɔte ase ne sɛ obi a wadi bɔne na wɔma ne kwan ma ne didi mu no obesa nso ayɛ saa de ni bio obi nim ni ɔde bɛkɔ no so nti mesrɛw sɛ bɛyɛ anka reporting ɛma a police for wo de twa family ni mo report ma a police for na kai say prison is a place for reformation. Okowa obenya sakrae anaso besesa na ni na abenefete eye ebusua ne enimguase bia eni ho abeka ebusua no adofo ha ene de komoni na esi mo nso wadwe ntia na se ofutu nsem awo no na de asomye ewe comment section no ene de ama osu a anam de edi eye nkomo no eya na nso de odi aka wo wi a wa like wa subscribe na wa san so a share so ama foforo enso e de mo so efutu nsem atwa so amaye dase na ebesan so ehie domidin eni ekiabroni makram.